In Revit 2025 third update, we have a very nice update in a project browser. Okay, you can see this is the project browser. Let's focus on project browser. So this is a project browser. This is same like the previous version. You can see this is all previous version. We have views, legend, schedule, sheet, families, groups, and Revit links. So you can open everything and you can go through all the sheets, views, legends in one page. Sometimes it is so confusing. Even I wanted to check only the family. I don't want to see anything else. I want to check only the views. I don't want to see anything else. So in Revit 2025.3, we have an option to see only the views. You can see only the legend and only the schedules and only the sheets and only families and only groups and only the links. So with these tabs, you can sort what you want to see and then just access clearly. Very good. I like it. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about this feature. Thank you. Bye-bye.